underground na tunnel. Baka ito yung malamang napapanood natin sa pelikula, ah. Mga ganito. Ganda. Meta. Or motel. Yeah. Ayos.
All over America.
Lapit na. B. Oo. Pala yun. Ayun, papanik na tayo sa Heart. Ito, train ito.
Train nga yan.
Oh, meron silang train pala rito, Iman. Subway.
Subway malamang yan.
Uy, Corvette, Iman. Look at that. Oh. Yan, nag-visit ulit si Super Iman, no? Yan, Mall of America. Ang katabi pala nito ay IKEA. Ayos ang summer vacation namin, guys. Marami na ako yung nalibot. Yan. Libot ng libot.
Anak, may dumi yung ilong. Can we do fly over America? FOA.
Yan, narating ka rin namin, Mall of America. Mahaba-haba ang biyahe ni Super Iman, ah. Ayun yung superstar. Yan, selfie muna si Super Iman dito sa Mall of America. Yan. Ito yung superstar ng Mall of America, oh. Yo. Papasok na si Super Iman. Sarap, mainit sa labas, eh. Nice. Ganda, ay bumago, ah. Gopi, you wanna gopi? Ha? Restaurant sila. Yun, sale ang H&M, guys. Yan, oh. Dito sa Mall of America. Sabi niya, sale, oh. Mukhang marami kami mapapamili rito, ah. Yan, up to 70% off, oh. Malamang may mabibili ako rito. Pambabae, guys. Ay, ito, may $5, oh. Oh, pwede na ito. Yan, yun, ito, $7.99 lang, oh. Yan, marami pa, guys, ang pagpipilian, oh. Ito, dress, oh. $10. Pwede na yan, Wow. Yan na si Super Iman. Nag-bathroom, eh. Use the elevator. Chick-fil-A. Ayan. Yung salad lang naman gusto ko, eh. Chick-fil-A.
Yung mga banda na nagsiswimming na sila.
Yun na yung laruan ng bata, oh. Pero nagugutom si Super Iman. Yan. Order muna kami sa Chick-fil-A. Anong gusto mong food? Burger King?
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A daw.
Okay, sama mo kami ni Chisaya dun sa sa sabaw.
Anong binili niya? Soup. Soup? Nagbisi.
Steak ko. Steak and cheese.
Oh, wonton soup. Wow. Lulutuan na lang kita ng wonton soup.
How about you, ma'am?
How about me?
Wow.
Noodle soup.
Ano mo na eat?
Sarap ng pagkain ni Super Iman, ha? Wow.
Ano yun sa'yo? Sa loob. Ayan mo. Ba't iba yung noodle mo sa'yo? It was mine. Ha? Yan. Yung chicken.
Oh yeah, chicken.
Thank you, Lord. Can I have a drink?
Juice. I have juice.
Kaya matamis, Daddy, ano yung pineapple? Ano, sushi rice lang. Yung rice. Iced tea?
Yun, dak dak dak. Gusto maglaro na Super Iman sa dak dak dak. Oh yeah. Ah, ito, dak 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 Iman, oh. Oh. Pokemon. Oh. I will buy token. Ilan ang kanya?
Okay, yeah.
25 cents?
I don't know. The $18. This is a waste of money. You're not
1, 2,
gonna win.
3.
It's 21 credits. Let inside that door. No, it's 20 bucks. 20 just, and then you're gonna waste half of it on this, and he's gonna lose. You don't know if he's gonna lose. Let him try.
Ayun, makukuha mo yung ano.
You have to
Evolution,
get the
no?
ball in the yellow. The yellow.
Here.
How many ball?
One only.
It's not one credit, so you look at
Yung nilaro nyo sa Japan, Che. Che, Che. This is the one that you play at Japan.
wanna play this? This is one credit. This is one credit. He doesn't want to play it. I wanna play this. It's okay if you know what it is. You don't win. Let's go. He's not in the mood anymore.
7, 6 seconds.
Oh! Nice. Ay, sumobra.
No, you don't. That's your only try. You only do it once?
No, just one more.
Che, Che.
My preference or Fernandez.
Oh, this one. You can how many kills?
Pikachu, Charmander.
No, that one. Okay. You can get bigger.
This one? Your turn. Go. So you have to win them this because you're the one that makes him upset. I didn't make him upset. Yes, you did. Go.
You have to win
Okay,
it.
you go first. No, I just got it.
You say
Go. Tell me, is this good? No, more. Okay, go. Oh, you got to together.
Oh, almost.
Scam. No, you have to get it by its feet one more time.
no, go in the middle of the body.
No, it's too heavy. Go. Okay, Chad, you got that. If you miss, Chad.
You go, let it.
Iman, you want to try? This is the last one. Iman, I lose twice. It's okay.
Which one do you want? This or that?
This one or this one?
This one, okay. Try to grab that one then.
Okay, you grab its feet, okay?
You can never grab. You will never grab that fish.
Yes. Go up, go forward. Yes. Go down. No, not yet. Move it up a bit more.
To the left.
Go to the left. To the right. Go forward a bit. Okay, good. No.
baby.
the one. This one is right for us. Try that one there. The one there. In the middle. Not the...
No, this.
Yun, nasa middle.
Nasa middle. Nasa gilid ko. Tatama.
Okay. Where?
Right there. Forward more. No, no.
Should you go?
Go forward.
Oh, what the? What are you getting? What? Oh, did it?
Merong aeropostal dito, oh. Let's go, mag-ride na tayo. Yun, nandito pala yung ride si Superhuman eh. Oh. That's what you're waiting for, Superhuman. Ride. Ayun, oh, yung masarap na sasakyan. Yan. Yan, naman ulit si Superhuman dito, oh. Woo! Mall of America. Nicole John. Umilang. Yun. Rides kami ulit dito sa Mall of America, guys. Yun. Mapandan. Orange Street. Ah. Yun. Naghihintay na si Chechi, oh. Papila siya sa roller coaster. Chechi! Miting panalo si Superhuman. Yun, nakalis na. Yun, ang bilis, ha. Ayan na sila. Ayan. Nice. Yun. Look at that. Tori lang tayo-tayo, guys. Yung Superhuman. Matapang sumakay eh. Yan, tignan natin yan. Sweet. Look at that. Ah, oh no. Nag-cute na yung pala. Very nice. Friend source pala ito eh. Nice. You like it? Yeah. Yeah daw ah. Brain source. Nice. Oh, look at that. I like that one. Ah. Wow! Yung pumila si Super Iman doon. Yan ah. Hihintay sila. O yan, uwi na kami. Thank you Mall of America. Uy, na si Superstar.